you think that allows us time to do a wheels off service then? Or not really?
We might have time.
Might?
We might have time, yeah.
Okay.
You want to eat?
So,
exactly what's
Dave,
gonna
Yo.
there is no
know.
ceramic coating on
Thinking.
the body actually.
I'm not sure.
Big mirrors.
No.
Hey, so
Big
I
man.
missed Reddit.
Dairy
So
Queen.
we're only like,
Oh.
we're only on.
What's wrong with you, bro? It's Monday.
What you got there, yo?
McChicken.
McChicken.
It's down to double hamburger.
Oh, dang. Dickies. Now with lunch out of the way, we're gonna see where Steven's at with the progress of the Civic. He tends to always be working, this guy. He's young, he's hungry. Great addition to the team.
Barrels are pretty caked up. They probably haven't been cleaned in a long time, so we're gonna rinse it and then hit it with some brake buster, and then eventually move on to Iron X, which will break down all the iron deposits, and then hopefully that will do the job, and we'll see where it goes.
That edging a bit.
How hot is that right now, Dave?
Friggin' burning!
Mr. Shokunin, how's it looking?
Looking good, sir.
Yes. Any trouble spots yet?
No, not yet.
Okay.
This is better than before.
It's hard to see stuff on white cars. You really gotta like have a light to it. Yeah. Wow. It's looking pretty.
Most of it is out.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit.
So what I noticed is that because those plastic 3M pieces have been on the car since brand new,
Mm-hmm.
it did leave like a water etch.
Okay.
So you do see like rectangles all around the hood.
So it's like a slight outline.
Yes.
Of where you
so-
see it.
So I believe like a one-stage cut will remove this up.
Nice.
Damn, this is some heavy stuff. Look, pretty eating
deteriorating
through
the
the
glove.
freaking gloves.
Jeez.
Jeez. easy so we don't scratch up the paint. Very light touch.
It's coming out pretty well.
It is. It's nice. Some good product.
Yeah, man. Only the best here at Koda.
Only the best. Hey,
This whole time I had a card in this game in my mouth. No one told me. I was talking to this guy confidently.
You thought you wanted to save it?
No, I'm not saving it, bro.
How are your thumbs? You think they're gonna be raw by the end of today?
hell yeah. It'll be good.
Jeez! Oh, nice. Finesse.
Somewhere.
Some of them are really in there.
It's in there, eh?
There you go.
Yes.
Yes. A little bit of flossing.
Literally.
A little bit of two-piece flossing. Let's do some surface prep with Carpo Eraser. And then we're going to start coating.
So just to give you guys a brief update on where we're at with this. So I talked to Steven and he's estimating we're around 12 man hours in total for this SI. It's coming along really well. We're pretty much on target with where we are expecting to be in terms of completion for this car. So we're just finishing up things like the exhaust tip. We got Nick polishing that up, the side skirts, and the headlights and tail lights. So stay tuned. It's gonna be great, guys. happy with the results here?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah, well, we're putting together a little vlog. We're trying to vlog more at the shop. So, you know, your project was a fun one for today. I like the
Heck yeah, yo. Thank you.